Alright, example number 2. We're going to write and apply a model for direct variation. So the last two questions, there's only actually 3 questions in this section, but the last 2 are word problems here. So pay attention, see how things go. Write and apply a model. What does this model mean? Model means the same thing as an equation. Okay? Write an equation, apply an equation for direct variation. So here we go. Hailstones form when strong updrafts support ice particles high in the clouds where water droplets freeze, blah, blah, blah. So basically these 2 balls are hailstones. This is hail. Alright? Hail here, hail here. So at 12 minutes after this storm, the hail is this big. Diameter is equal to, it says, 0.75 inches. Okay, after 20 minutes, it has the diameter is equal to question mark. So that's what we're trying to find. But to do that, what we need is an equation. Okay, so that's letter A. Write an equation. Okay, usually I'm thinking mx plus b, but keep reading. And it gives the hailstones D. We got to use D, diameter in inches. After t minutes, we got to use D. We got to use t. If you assume, here's the important part, the diameter varies directly with time. I don't know if I wrote this down. I feel like I didn't. Y equals kx. No, I don't think I did. You need to know this. The way you actually read this is this. Y varies directly as x does. Okay? The order is important. Y varies directly as x changes. Okay? If I had something else like B equals KC, this is direct variation because it looks like Y equals KX. Okay? But I would say B varies directly as C. Alright? Kind of like I just interchanged Y and X. Y varies directly as X changes. B varies directly as C changes. So look at this. I'm trying to get you to pay attention to the wording of the problem. Diameter varies directly as the time. You have to write this equation in a certain way. Alright? Here's your equation. Diameter, D, varies directly with time, T. Diameter has to be on this side. Time has to be on this side. But where does, you're missing something here. We need direct variation, which looks like this. We need diameter equals K, our constant of variation, times time. This is the formula based on the wording of the question. Alright, now all I need, if you want to have a direct variation equation, write an equation, all you need is K. But what do you have? What do they give you to get K? They give you this stuff right here. After 12 minutes, it's 0.75 inches. T is 12. D is 0.75. Look, T is 12. D is 0.75. You plug them in. So, D is 0.75 equals K, you don't know. That's what we're trying to find. K times, get rid of this. T is 12 at that point. Alright, plug those in, divide both sides by 12, and you get K. I don't have a lot of room here. So, K is equal to whatever that number is. Okay? I don't know what the number is. Let's check on my calculator here. 0.75 divided by 12. 0.0625. So, 0.0625. That's K. But you still don't have the equation. Write an equation that gives the diameter after t minutes. All you need to do is substitute in what K really is. So, K you just said is 0.0625. Well, I just said it. Okay, plug it in. So, final. D equals K is 0.0625 times time. This is your answer for part A. Circle that, box it, whatever you want to do. Write an equation that gives hailstone's diameter as a function of time. So after t minutes, diameter varies directly as time. Check. Alright, that's how you take a word problem and make it into direct variation equation. Now there's a part 2 to this problem. Number 1, come up with the equation that represents this situation right here. Number 2, they're going to ask you for this. After 20 minutes, how big is the diameter? Well, what are they giving you? Time is 20. You plug it in. Time is 20. So 0.0625 times it by 20 is 1.25. All I did was substitute time, 20 in for time. Okay? So this answer is 1.25 inches. That's part 2. Okay? That's all for example type number 2.